I prefer to make my hamburgers fresh, either grinding the meat myself or getting already ground meat from the store or the butcher. But sometimes frozen hamburgers fit the bill. And today I'm going to show you 5 tips on how to make your frozen burgers better. Tip number 1, choose the right frozen patties. Try and find those with no added ingredients, no fillers. What you want is just plain ground beef. Now this package of frozen patties cost us $10. That's for 20 hamburger patties, quarter-pound patties. That's not a bad deal. And if you'll look, it says all natural, no fillers. You'll see a little asterisk next to the thing that says all natural. From what I've been able to find out, that means that they may have certain things on the production line, like some sort of vegetable oil coating that helps the patties move along. But do look for those things because you want to start with the best patty possible. And I gotta tell you, these taste great when they're cooked right. Tip number 2 starts right when we put the burgers on the grill. We're gonna wait 2 minutes. We're gonna flip it quickly and season that side. Wait another 2 minutes, flip again and season that side. Your seasoning will not take on a frozen burger. It'll just fall off. You have to let it thaw a little bit while cooking to accept that seasoning, whatever you're gonna use. Today, I'm just gonna be using salt and pepper. All right, our first 2 minutes are up. We're gonna flip these and season the other side. You can see they are still mostly frozen there. This is not to see that they're cooked. It's to see that this side will accept the seasoning because it's softened. I'm gonna add salt and pepper. I'm gonna let this side go 2 minutes before we turn it again. All right, we've had 2 minutes on this other side. We're gonna repeat the process. Salt and pepper this side. Or whatever seasoning you wanna use. This is the time to get it on there. Now I'm gonna cook these until they're just about to the doneness that I want. Burgers this thin, you're not gonna be using a temperature probe or anything like that. You've just gotta get used to how done you want your burgers. Usually what I do when I see this juice starting to form on the top, I will give it a flip at that point. Tip number 3, the 10-second sauce flip. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna brush a little bit of whatever sauce we wanna have on these, whether it's barbecue sauce, ketchup, anything like that. Just do a quick brush. Then we're gonna flip it. Put some sauce on this side now. Flip it again. Now it's time for some cheese. This isn't a tip, it's just how we cook them. All right, these are just about done. We'll get these off. Move on to tip number 4. Tip number 4, toast the bun. This has very little to do with the actual hamburger, but everything to do with how it tastes and how you enjoy it. Toasting the bun gives you that little extra crispness when you bite into this burger. Just a nice little toasting on it. That's all you need. Tip number 5, and this may be the most important one of all, stack your burger. These patties are thin enough that it almost is a crime to not make a double or triple burger. Gonna put a little bit of sauce on here now, in between the patties. Some bacon on top, cooked to AFS, acceptable floppy state. And a little more sauce on top. This is a peppered barbecue sauce I'm using here. Again, you can use whatever you want. This is the same sauce I used during tip number 3, the 10-second sauce flip. And now we just top our burger and it's ready to go. There is no tip number 6 except to bite into this bad boy. Let's see how it tastes. Good seasoning, both the salt and pepper and that little glaze of sauce we do during the 10-second sauce flip. It really adds to the flavor of this. And again, you can dress this with whatever you want, whatever kind of cheese, whatever kind of bacon. That's up to you. It's this 5-step process, and that's what I use when I'm cooking frozen burgers. Now you may ask, Why even cook frozen burgers? Well, as I said in the beginning of the video, sometimes that's what you have. Sometimes there's a great deal on them. Sometimes cost and convenience play a factor in what you're gonna cook. And I gotta tell you, these are good burgers. Now, I did this on the charcoal grill today, but I often do these burgers just like this on the gas grill because, well, the gas grill's convenient. Fire it up, go through these steps, and you end up with a great burger, a great double burger. So there's nothing wrong with taking a food that's made for cost efficiency and convenience and turning it into something better.